In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off autoplay on YouTube mobile. Okay, so there's two ways that you can go ahead and do this. The first way is to just tap on a video, and then once it's loaded up on the playback page, you can see underneath where it says comments, it says autoplay on the right hand side. If you toggle that off, then autoplay will be turned off. And another way that you can do this is if you go back and then if you tap on your profile icon at the top right and then tap on settings, and then you can see an option there. It says autoplay. If I go ahead and tap on that, you can see it says autoplay next video. You can toggle that on and you can toggle that off. So that is how you turn off autoplay on YouTube mobile. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.